Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be channeling you guys up on this gorgeous hair that I have on today. Now, a lot of you guys been requesting for wavy slash not too wavy hair for the fall times. I've been reading your messages on Instagram and here on YouTube. So here is a day where I grant your wishes, and here is one of the gorgeous wave pattern itself, but not too wavy like a lot of you guys requested here. So if you'd like to know more specs and deets about her for the fall times, if you're feeling her, then go ahead and keep on watching. This hair is a Brazilian body wave, and what I have in is an 18 regular closure, you guys, and I also have a 20-inch, 22, and a 24. And the amazing company that carries this amazing hair is called Dsoar Hair. So this is the package right here. And just to give you guys a feel about this, literally this hair had no shedding so far. So let me get this clear. This is human hair. For my people that don't really know, when I say Brazilian hair, it is human hair. I made this wig, so I went ahead and constructed this wig. If you'd like to know how I construct it, I have that video down below as well. But I made this wig, you guys, and if you are just looking for bundles, or if you are one that's looking to do your own wig, this hair is amazing quality hair to do so. You guys, the texture is amazing. The quality is freaking amazing. Look at the ends, you guys, so freaking healthy. I feel like this hair gave me so much, like the more you fluff it out, the more full it gets. But I love the fact that you can go ahead and style it and it will just all become intertwined and one and kind of seamlessly be together. Now for the closure is pretty decent. The lace was easy to manage with. I went ahead and you know, kind of hold it down with some got to be, and yeah, it's doing pretty darn good, you guys. The cooperation, the color was bomb. I didn't have no problems with it at all whatsoever. It was super easy for me to go ahead and tweeze out my closure. That kind of worries me just a little bit because I feel like then the closure could be easily to get thinned out. But that's just something that you would just gotta consider, you know, while you're brushing your wigs. Whatever that you construct, at the end of the day, you want to make sure that hair care is a major factor that will, you know, make or break you to see whether or not you can have longevity with the product that you're buying. I definitely want to enforce that, like, you know, be gentle just like you would on your own head. You don't want somebody, you know, coming over there and getting a brush and literally brushing the out your scalp, you know. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. And now, do I feel like their length are true to length? Their length are definitely true to length. And if I have not said it already, the color of this hair is just like a natural black. Now as far as co-washing and washing, it did really well. As far as the weft, you guys, the weft was actually really great. It was double band weft, and which means that the hair was not thin at all. When I sewed on the weft onto my cap for my wig here, it was super full. It got super full fast, so that is a great sign. That means that you don't need a lot of bundles to make it that full hair that you're looking for, unless if you really like the really full look. Then of course, you know, just go ahead and get 4 bundles or 5 even. I had this hair for about like 5 months now, so I've been rocking it in and out. I can tell you this hair is definitely longevity hair. So the least that this hair would last me is about 2 years, and I honestly don't know how much is the most, but 2 years for the least is actually pretty darn good, you guys. You're gonna be saving a lot of money for the 2 years. You really don't have to buy any other type of wigs or hair. You can just buy this one and just, you know, either use it as a clip-in or a sew-in, or do a wig with it and just always have it there at reach whenever you need it. So that's super dope. As far as the pricing, I know you guys want to know the pricing. So they do have like a bundle deals going on right now, and it's a pretty bomb deal. So you get 3 bundles, so that's 3 bundles of the Brazilian body wave, and it started at the price of $42, roughly around $44 after taxes. Price for the one that I got, that's $130 for 3 bundles, you guys. I know a lot of companies that price one bundle at that price. So now for my girls, if you want to do like a little leave out, you have it really easy, $130 and you're good good to go. But for my girls out there that you want like the closure, you know, the closure would be a separate amount of fee. Of course, the longer the length you get, the more money you would pay. The shorter the length you get, the less money you would pay as well. So that all depends on of what length that you would like. Bundle deals is totally on for you guys, and definitely a way that you can go ahead and save you some money if you was looking to go ahead and rock this bomb wavy hair for the fall time. So now as far as shipping, this hair I got to me within 4 business days, which is not so bad at all. Yeah, I love it. The quality of hair is well worth it. I'll go ahead and link those links down below so you guys can go ahead and click over and browse around. I'm pretty sure they have anything that you're looking for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, till next time.